Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the solid-state drive, remove the screw securing the system's base cover. Slide and lift the cover to remove it. Find the hard drive module and press the blue tabs to unlatch it. Lift the module out of the system. Identify the solid-state drive and remove the screws securing it to the system. Slightly lift and pull the drive out of the system. To reinstall the solid-state drive, place it back in the system and tighten the screw to secure it. Place the hard drive module back in the system and relatch it. Slide the base cover on the system and secure it with the screw. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.